more curly hair propaganda. We are officially leaving in 2026. Part 2. If you haven't watched my part 1 already, those are the top 5 I've struggled with. I have 8 points for you. Number 1, you must only use Curly Girl Method products. Not everyone's hair thrives on strict Curly Girl Method rules. Some curls actually prefer certain silicones or sulfates when used properly. My hair did not sign the Curly Girl Method contract. Neither did yours. Number 2, air drying is always healthier than diffusing. Here's the truth. Air drying can actually cause hydral fatigue. Long wet time can actually stress out your curls. Controlled diffusing can be better for some hair. My hair air dries in 3 to 5 business days. You know how mold happens? Your hair can have moisture overload. Air drying is good for 10 minutes. But if you're doing this every week with a protective style as well, oh no. If you live in a hot country, maybe you're outside, your hair dries quickly. But if you're in the UK or some humidity that is crazy, air drying is not for you. You could be causing more damage to your scalp and your cuticles. Number 3, if your curls are frizzy, you're doing something wrong. Lies. The truth is, humidity exists. Texture varies. Some frizz is normal and healthy. Shocker, right? Some of this, not user error, it's weather. Number 4, you need 10 plus products for a good wash day. People are tired of long routines. The truth is, many curl routines work beautifully with a good leave-in and one stronghold styler or a good gel. Have you tried this one? Bouclem. Oh my goodness, is amazing. That one product can make a massive difference. And the Dew Defining Gel, these two on their own, game changer. If your wash day needs a spreadsheet, we need to talk. Number 5, type 3 hair can't use heavier products. Density matters, porosity matters, climate matters. My curls are type 3, but my thirst level is like the Sahara Desert. The more water I have, the better it looks sometimes. Obviously, moisture overload kicks in. So what might actually help me this week might not help me in 2 weeks' time because my hair has already changed. The build-up, clarifying, like I need to switch up my routine quite often. Even during climate changes. In summer, it will be different to the winter. Number 6, you should never brush curly hair. Someone once told me, only finger detangle. That's the best for your hair. Do you know how long it will take me to finger detangle my hair? Each week? Come on. When there are good brushes that detangle and I don't have damage. Of course, my hair falls out. That's normal. You have 100 hairs a day that are meant to fall out anyway. If it's excessive, there's a different story. So technique matters, timing matters, and the tools matter. Brushing correctly on wet, conditioned hair actually help with clumping. Some of y'all think never brushing is the best way, but why do you think your curls aren't defining? Because you haven't combed out all the knots or brushed out all the knots. That's why your curls are lacking definition. Number 7, your curl pattern determines everything. This one is overused and overdone. Even I've done it. Your curl pattern does not equal your whole story. Your porosity, though, is most important. Your density as well, strand thickness, and moisture balance. Those 4 are your main go-tos, not the type of your hair. Curl type is the headline, not the full story. Number 8, good curls should last all week. If you're like me, this is what I long for. I wish my curls would last all week with every product I use. It's just not true. Lifestyle, sleep, weather, and hair type all affect longevity. And the product you use definitely matters. If your curls last 7 days, I have many routines for you. And drop your routine. I want to know which products you use. Look at my channel, you'll find I'm a 7-day girl. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.